Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus 8 and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started you want to pull down the notification panel and extend it, and you should have the power saver icon right here. So all you need to do is tap on it. It will give you a message that basically enabling this will restrict a bunch of things. So in general it lowers the brightness of your display. It restricts the apps in the background, lowers I think clocks of like your whole display. So because this display actually runs at like 90 hertz, it goes down I think to 60. And apart from that, notifications are then being also delivered in bulk instead of whenever they're being sent. So if for instance someone sends you a message right now, you will not receive it. You will receive it, I don't know, a couple minutes for instance later, along with a couple other ones that in that time might have arrived as well. And also apps in the background will be killed off after a specific amount of time. So once you turn that on, you will see that the brightness should go down a little bit. And yeah, so that's basically all you need to do to enable it. And you can see on, well, barely can see on the battery icon, it's kind of yellowish now with a plus on it. That means that it's enabled right now. And to disable, simply just tap back on the power saver, everything goes back to normal. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.